2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.